Hi there. In this session we are discussing and learning present progressive or continuous tense. Are you ready? Let's get started. Well, the question is, what is and when do we use present progressive or continuous tense? The present continuous tense is a grammatical tense that can be used to describe when an action happened or may happen. In addition, you can use it to describe both events that are happening in the present or right now, while you are talking about something, and also about event or activity happen in the future, in other words, something that may or will happen later on. For example, when Mom is knitting a sweater, I am writing a letter, the phone is ringing. All those three events are classified as present progressive or continuous tense, because they are happening at the moment. Alright, now let's discuss of when to use present progressive tenses in specific. 1. We use present progressive tense if things that are happening now. You can use the present continuous to describe immediate events taking place in the current moment. For example, she is eating dinner right now and cannot answer the phone. 2. We use present progressive tense for temporary events. For longer actions that may be taking place for a temporary period only, you can use the present continuous tense to describe them. It can be used for any temporary situation, no matter how long or short it is. For example, he's studying a new language at the moment. 3. We use present progressive tense for a new pattern or habit. A really interesting way of using the present continuous tense is to describe events or actions that are new and different from events in the past. In this case, the tense can be used to highlight the contrast between the old and new. For example, these days, people are writing emails a lot less than they used to a few years ago. 4. We use present progressive tense for future plans. When describing something that will take place in the future, the present continuous tense can be used. Or, when you are discussing something that is already discussed or planned ahead. For example, when we arrive at the airport, we are taking a private car to the hotel. Rules or formula of present progressive or continuous tense. As you have seen the underlined and colorful words in the previous examples, then, the formula of present progressive or continuous tense is positive sentence, subject, plus, to be, is, am, are, plus, verb-ing, in which, if the subject of the sentence is I, then, used to be, am. If the subject is one of we, they, you, and plural noun, used to be, are. But, if the subject of the sentence is one of he, she, it, or singular noun, then used to be, is, and then followed by verb-ing. See these examples. I am working. He is talking. She is living. It is eating. My sister is sleeping. You are playing. We are staying. They are sleeping. My brothers are watching. If the sentence is negative, then just add not after to be. So, the formula is subject plus is, am, are, not, plus, verb-ing. For examples, I am not working. He is not talking. She is not living. It is not eating. My sister is not sleeping. You are not playing. We are not staying. They are not sleeping. My brothers are not watching. And if you want to form a sentence in interrogative, then just put to be, is, am, are, in the beginning of the sentence, so the formula is, am, are, plus, subject, plus, verb-ing, plus, question mark. For examples, am I working? Is he talking? Is she living? Is it eating? Is my sister sleeping? Are you playing? Are we staying? Are they sleeping? Are my brothers watching? All right. Now let's practice to test your comprehension. Try to answer the questions first before I let you know the answer and the key answer. Stop the video if you need more time to answer. Are you ready? Exercise 1. Write the present participle of these verbs on the blanks. 1. Come. For example, the present participle or verb ing of come is coming. 2. Run. 3. Sleep. 4. Fall. 5. Jump. 6. Climb. 7. Go. 8. Ask. 9. Catch. 10. Write. 11. Drop. 12. Bring. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the present progressive tense of the verbs in parentheses. 1. They blank the roller coaster ride. Enjoy. I do number 1 as an example. So, the answer is are enjoying. 2. Jill blank her hair. Wash. 3. It blank dark. Get. 4. The dentist blank Sue's teeth. Examine. 5. The train blank through the tunnel. Pass. 6. The men blank very hard in the sun. Work. 7. What blank theatre blank today. Show. 8. We blank a snowman. Make. 9. The plane blank above the clouds. Fly. 10. The teachers blank a meeting. Have. Key answer. Well, now you may check and compare your answer. Exercise 1. Write the present participle of these verbs on the blanks. 1. Come. Coming. 2. Run. Running. 3. Sleep. Sleeping. 4. Fall. Falling. 5. Jump. Jumping. 6. Climb. Climbing. 7. Go. Going. 8. Ask. Asking. 9. Catch. Catching. 10. Write. Writing. 11. Drop. Dropping. 12. Bring. Bringing. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the present progressive tense of the verbs in parentheses. 1. They are enjoying the roller coaster ride. 2. Jill is washing her hair. 3. It is getting dark. 4. The dentist is examining Sue's teeth. 5. The train is passing through the tunnel. 6. The men are working very hard in the sun. 7. What is theatre showing today? 8. We are making a snowman. 9. The plane is flying above the clouds. 10. The teachers are having a meeting. Well, that is present progressive or continuous tense. Hopefully, this tutorial is helpful and beneficial. Our next topic of discussion is present perfect tense. By the way, don't forget to support me by subscribe if you haven't. Thanks and ta.